Good evening students, how are you? In our last video lecture, I have explained about primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. Today I will explain you about geminal, quinol and terminal halides or alpha omega halides. Dihalogen derivatives can be further classified into three categories on the basis of position of two halogen elements: geminal halide, quinol halide and terminal halide. So dear students, what is the general formula of dihalogen derivative of an alkane? Its general formula is CnH2n into X2. In place of N, if we put value 3, and in place of X, if we write chlorine Cl, then what will be the molecular formula of such type of dihalogen derivative? Its molecular formula will be C3. What is the number of carbon? 3. And what is the number of hydrogen in this dihalogen derivative? 2 into 3, 6, C3H6, and number of halogen element 2 to C3H6, Cl2. It is the molecular formula of this dihalogen derivative. Since this dihalogen derivative has 2 chlorine, therefore on the basis of position of these 2 chlorine atoms, the structure of such type of dihalogen derivative can be described as: the first structure of this dihalogen derivative will be CH3, CH2, CHCl2. In this dihalogen derivative, since both the chlorine atoms are connected with the same carbon atom, therefore such type of dihalogen derivative is called geminal halide. It's called geminal halide. So how can we define geminal halide? Those dihalogen derivative in which both the halogen elements are connected with the same carbon element are called geminal halide. For example, in this dihalogen derivative, since both the chlorine atoms are connected with the same carbon atom, therefore it is called geminal halide. And how can we write common name of such kind of dihalogen derivative? The common naming of geminal halide is done according to alkylidene. Listen carefully. The common naming of geminal halide is done according to alkylidene dihalide. So how can we write common name of geminal halide? Common naming of geminal halide is written according to alkylidene dihalide. And those dihalogen derivative in which both the halogen elements are linked with the same carbon element are called geminal halide. And these common naming is done according to alkylidene dihalide, where alk is word root. So what is the total number of carbon in this word root? This word root has 3 carbon, therefore its common name will be propylidene. Its common name will be propylidene dichloride. Its common name will be propylidene dichloride. This is the common name of this geminal halide, propylidene dichloride. And how can we write its IUPAC name? Simply, it is 1,1-dichloropropane. So its IUPAC name is 1,1-dichloropropane, and it is commonly called propylidene dichloride. So those dihalogen derivative in which both the halogen element are linked with the same carbon element are called geminal halide. With the same molecular formula, we can also draw one more structure of such kind of dihalogen derivative. If we change the position of this chlorine, then its structure will be its second structure. It is the first structure of this dihalogen derivative, and the second structure will be CH2 Cl single bond CHCl single bond CH3. In this dihalogen derivative, since both the halogen element are linked with the two adjacent carbon atoms, therefore such kind of dihalogen derivatives are called vicinal or Wick halide. These are called vicinal halide or Wick halide. So how can we define a vicinal or Wick halide? Those dihalogen derivative in which both the halogen elements are linked with the two adjacent carbon atoms are called vicinal or Wick halide, and the common naming of such type of dihalogen derivative is written according to alkylene dihalide. Alkylene dihalide. So how can we write its common name? Its common naming is written according to alkylene dihalide. In place of L we can write word root. So what is the word root in this organic compound? Since it has 3 carbon, therefore the word root is prop. Hence commonly it is called propylene dichloride. And concept-wise, what will be its IUPAC name? Its IUPAC name can be written as 1,2-dichloropropane. 1,2-dichloropropane. And suppose if we further change the position of chlorine element, then we can also draw third structure of this dihalogen derivative with the same molecular formula. If we change the position of this chlorine, and suppose this chlorine element is connected with this third carbon, then its structure will be CH2Cl single bond CH2 single bond CH2Cl. In this organic compound, since both the chlorine elements are connected with the two terminal carbon elements, therefore it is called terminal halide, or it is also called alpha omega halide. Girls, this first carbon of the carbon chain is called alpha, and this last carbon of the carbon chain is called omega. Therefore such type of dihalogen derivative is also called alpha omega halide or terminal halide. And how can we write its common name? Its common name is written according to polymethylene. Listen carefully. Its common naming is done according to polymethylene dihalide. Polymethylene dihalide. What is the meaning of methylene? This CH2 group is called methylene group. So what is the number of methylene group in this organic compound? This CH2 group is called methylene group. So what is the number of CH2 group in this dihalogen derivative? It has 3 methylene group. Therefore in place of poly we can write tri for 3. So its common name will be trimethylene dichloride. And girls and boys, what will be its IUPAC name? Its IUPAC name can be simply written as 1,3-dichloropropane. 1,3-dichloropropane. So my dear students, what is the basic difference between propylene dichloride and trimethylene dichloride? What is the basic difference between 1,1-dichloropropane, 1,2-dichloropropane and 1,3-dichloropropane? They have the different position of chlorine element, but they have the same molecular formula. Since they have the same molecular formula, but they have the different position of this functional group, therefore these are called position isomers of each other. Geminal halide, vicinal halide and terminal or alpha omega halide. These are called terminal or alpha omega halide. These are called position isomers of each other because they have the different position of functional group, but they have the same molecular formula. And these are the types of dihalogen derivatives. So on the basis of position of two halogen element, dihalogen derivative can be further divided into 3 categories. Geminal halide, those dihalogen derivative in which both the halogen elements are connected with the same carbon are called geminal halide. And the second type of dihalogen derivatives are vicinal or Wick halide, in which both the halogen elements are connected to the two adjacent carbon elements. These are called vicinal halide. and those dihalogen derivative in which both the halogen elements are linked with the two terminal carbon, these are called terminal halide or these are also called alpha omega halide. Common naming of geminal halide is written according to alkylidene dihalide. Common naming of vicinal or Vic halide is written according to alkylene dihalide, and common naming of alpha omega or terminal halide is written according to polymethylene dihalide. So I think कि सभी बच्चों को मेरी बात